Hey, what it do, C-Hit? I came to remind you again that you are fucking trash, nigga. You move slow and you get hit a lot. You are a punching bag, nigga. Don't nobody respect your bars in Fight Club, cause you are not heavenly, bro. And all your people can get smoked in a circle like the 70s show. Fuck a C-Hit, nigga. Even if I was dead, I could probably get C-Hit, nigga. You are 100% female. I think Ellen got more balls than this bitch, nigga. You be probably smoking crack, don't you? I bet. Cause I be smoking loud green. I got a Japan rifle. That bitch longer than the legs on Yao Ming. If C-Hit try to play in my ground and slide, I'll swing. You know I got them ultra rounds. I come in your house, C-Hit, and lay your mama and your daughter down. Spark the round, infrared pow. Spark the pound, it'll see through your baby mama's stomach before labor. That's an ultrasound, nigga. You don't want to fuck around with BankHead. I'm a wife player, and my dick is like the candy to your bitch. It's a lifesaver. You shouldn't fuck around with me, my nigga, cause that bullshit irrelevant. I will take the skin off C-Hit body cause I want to see his skeleton. I got the trunk with the Mossberg and it's longer than an elephant, and all that bullshit you buying, little BankHead was never selling it. I don't gotta fuck around with this nigga. He don't get a chance to spit the thing. I lean with the 40 cause the automatic remind me of promethazine. Easy, nigga. You dead. Hit a clan. Squad. Easy. Shout out to Fight Club.
Yeah, Joe, Chico the barge looking ass nigga, pretty boy ass. Long hair, don't care. I bet you be at home in the mirror like, nails done, hair done, but I ain't got nowhere to go. BankHead be like, tonight I'm gon' kill him. Taking selfies with no, bitch, shut up. Enough of the antics. Let me quit joking with this pussy, I'm past that. I raise the stock, blow your thoughts on the wall and streets like NASDAQ. Wait a minute, stock, Wall Street, NASDAQ? Boy, the flow insane. But I just broke down how to take change from BankHead when that stock exchange. Nigga, my style antique, which means it's collectible. I should be getting paid the highest value. When I see you, I'ma whoop your ass so bad, your own mama won't recognize you. Only fingerprints and dental work identifying. And everybody gonna be like, ah, that's what Victor get for putting 2 screws in the head of Frankenstein. Nigga, you getting killed by what you just created. Frankenstein. Fucking with me, you won't have a funeral. Just your head in a box like FaceTime. Now for them last few lines, y'all, I just showed them all how to take change from BankHead. They gonna have to check his pulse after this, cause it looked like Bank dead. OGs in the hood said, don't forget to bring back BankHead. And like his hype ass daddy for that last dollar, I just broke the piggy BankHead. Pin gang, nigga.
My new markout for today, to show y'all that I'm not in fear. Yo, Irv, thanks for the deposit and the other half on Irvine Crib. I'm out of here.
Yeah. Money chain situation. Money chain situation.